Good afternoon. Before I start, I would like to express my gratitude for the opportunity given to me to be able to present my work on literature review on materials and fabrication methods of 3D printed prosthetic fingers. Introduction. Finger amputation are common and have a significant impact on daily life. Prosthetics can help but often lead to dissatisfaction due to limitations such as limited functionality, poor quality or aesthetics, and improper fit. Traditional custom prosthetic finger manufacturing also involve a time-consuming process, which can be seen on the figure on the side. 3D printing offers advantages such as accuracy, reduced time, and improved comfort, and a digital record. 3D printing-based solutions for finger amputation processes are gaining recognition and can contribute to sustainable development goals like ensuring healthy life or well-being and cost-effective production while also enhancing comfort and fit. The study aims to explore various fabrication process and material options to find the best combination for functionality and cost. For the research on PLA-based prosthetic finger study, found that using 3D printing technology to create patient-specific body part 3D printed partial finger prostheses made with elective resulted in improved performance in the box and block test compared to not using a prosthesis. When the patient uses a PLA-based prosthetic finger, their block moving rate increased from 18 blocks per minute without a prosthesis to 22 BPM during a 1-minute trial with both the 3D printed prosthesis and a commercially available finger prosthesis. In comparison to the unaffected limb, which had a block moving rate of 30 BPM, the affected limb demonstrated relative functional improvement. The cubic user evaluation of satisfaction or Quest 2.0 survey results revealed that the 3D printed partial finger prostheses receive a slightly higher satisfaction score at 3.3 compared to the commercially available finger prostheses at 2.5. The output survey showed that the participant could easily perform tasks like carry a laundry basket and put on and take off the prostheses with both of prostheses. Additionally, they could easily open a bag of chips with 3D printed partial finger prostheses and very easily with the commercially available finger prostheses. For base prosthetic finger study, the paper discussed the result of the complicated process in terms of its ability to hold object without slippage. The maximum payload values before slippage were tested with and without silicone rubber finger gloves. When the prosthesis was tested without the finger gloves, the maximum payload values before slippage for metal, plastic, and glass were 335 gram, 430 gram, and 325 gram, respectively. The compliance was significantly higher when the process was tested with silicone rubber finger glove, and the highest tested payload of 900 gram did not demonstrate any slippage for any of the three materials. For TPA-based prosthetic finger, the result indicates an improvement in both the Jackson-Taylor and fascia test and the block test score after using the prosthesis, which can be seen on the table 2. Prior to using the prosthesis, the patient scored 17 in the box and block test, with increase to 21 after using the prosthesis. The process notably enhanced the patient's ability to grab the box and swiftly pinch the tip. The majority of response in Quest cubic evaluation with assistive technology were very satisfied, and the orthotic and prosthetic user survey report the majority of response are very easy. Furthermore, the opus examination categorized 16 out of the 19 items are easy or very easy. For TPU-based prosthetic fingers, in the assessment of TPU-based prosthetic fingers, the RS scale was used to evaluate their performance. Additionally, typing speed was tested both with and without prosthetic fingers. The typing speed results show that without the prosthesis, typing performance was at 80% with no notable losses in accuracy. The other simulation was conducted with two individuals as well. The custom-built prosthetic significantly improved the user ability to perform tasks, including picking up a ball bearing, which was challenging due to the stump's rigidity, length, and shape. With the prosthesis and its fingertip, the task could be completed successfully. For user 2, the error score remained the same with and without the prosthesis, indicating that the prosthesis had no impact on their head function. However, the long score may contribute to the issue related to articulation and limited pinch force. For polyamide or SLS-based prosthetic fingers, the study noted that the manufactured plastic had the capacity to restore up to 70% of the movement of the finger. It's not only simply to create but also easily printable prototype. The design is parameterized, allowing for further enhancement. For instance, the prosthesis can be developed into a silicone material to enhance addition and provide a texture resemble human skin, rendering it a malleable. This possibility design enables the creation of variable shapes that can be highly beneficial for the patient's daily activity as well. Photopolymer resin mold with SLA-based prosthetic finger. The study evaluated the performance of plastic finger created using 3D printed molds and plaster casts. It was found that prosthetic finger produced from 3D printed molds performed similarly to those made from plaster casts. The only notable difference were in aesthetic and weight, where the 3D printing based prostheses were compared. According to the post survey result, patient satisfaction with 3D printing based prostheses was either equivalent to or superior to that of conventional prostheses. The opposed finger functional status survey indicate that the patient preferred to use the 3D printing based prosthesis for most of the activities not typically performed with the conventional one. However, the patient mentioned that the 3D printing based prosthesis perform less effectively in activities such as opening a door with a knob, carrying a laundry basket, opening a bag of chips with both hands, and twisting a bottle lid due to its bulkier size. And some of the results can be seen on this table. And this is the summary of their studies results. In conclusion, the study reviewed some of the used materials in 3D print prosthetics. Each material exhibits distinct characteristics that influence the prosthesis performance, user satisfaction, and functionality. The resulted review gave out that overall, customized prosthetic with 3D print, remove fit, and comfort as the main issues move into general performance of the prosthetic itself. Research from Hassan et al. On TPU-based prosthetic in particular shows an unique way of designing finger prosthetic with soft fingertips seems could provide better results that might also be replicated on other materials. Although user with purely prosthetic could be concluded giving roughly same satisfaction as well. However, we must keep in mind that most of the user is already used to with their disabilities and might not given enough time to adjusting to the new prosthetics, so the result might still skew. Furthermore, the test is still highly subjective and depends a lot on the subject for even standardized tests like post-test and Jackson test. Similar problem from previous literature review. And finally, we concluded the study that there's still room for improvement for using other materials, innovative technique, or even combination of both. Acknowledgement. This study is funded by Directorate General of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Culture, Research, and Technology, with the research project title Pengembangan Produk Inovasi Prosthetic Sebagian Jari Menyesuaikan Warna Kulit Pasien dengan metode 3D Printing, a support of 2023 Matching Fund, Kedareka Program Batch 4. Thank you.